Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Charla's Healthy and Light Diaries. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade kuchai pie. Stay tuned in. The first thing that you have to prepare in making kuchai pie is to prepare a dough. You have to make a dough. So these are the ingredients in making a dough. You have the flour, sugar. You also be needing salt and water, powderized pepper, 1 or 2 eggs, and you will also be needing melted margarine or butter, and lastly baking soda. So the first step in making a dough, you have to mix all of these ingredients. Then it's time for you to mix all the ingredients. Except you can already play with your dough. If it gets sticky, then it's time for you to add more flour, or you can apply oil on your palm. Then you have to refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes. So that's it. You're done making your dough. And you've just learned another tofu recipe. Until our next video, if you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. This is Charles of the Enlight's Diary. Thank you for watching.